Hi guys, I wanted to show you how you can test your Laravel Inertia application with the Pest framework for PHP. So this is what we are testing, this store method of category controller. Um, we have the simple validation that returns array of valid data, and then we are adding that user ID from the request, creating a category, returning the redirect to categories index route with message array that has text and status. Text is category name created successfully, and status is true. Uh, so in our test, we have first the correct test authenticate user can create a category. We have our closure function. Here we have a simple setup of the creating the user from the factory, authenticating the user, creating the dummy data like category name and emoji. This is the post request that we are firing to this route category store and the data that we need. Yeah, just to mention that this acting as is authentication, so it's really important if you want to fire requests to the routes that are behind your middleware. And we have here category name, emoji, type of expenses. Um, After that, we are asserting that status code is 302, which is the code for redirects, and we are asserting that the route that we are redirected to is categories index. After that, we are going to this page. It's really important to create another follow-up request if you want to check inertia props. So here we have the status of 200 for this get request, and then we are asserting that inertia is rendering this component, categories index, that it has categories props, where categories props, when turned into collection, contains the name, new category name. Actually, this is test category. So here we are testing that flash array of messages contains the flash message text. So this is array, you see the dot notation, that's how we are accessing the deeper into the array, the lower levels of array, and we are asserting that this is the message that is returned to us, and the message status is true. After that, we are asserting that the database has all of these things. And if we play this test, we should see that one test is passed with 22 assertions. Nice.